Digestive health is a cornerstone of overall well-being. Poor digestion can lead to uncomfortable symptoms such as bloating, gas, and heartburn. Fortunately, diet plays a crucial role in promoting healthy digestion and preventing these issues. Here are 7 of the best foods to eat to improve digestion and prevent heartburn. 1. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its digestive benefits. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help in easing nausea and vomiting. Ginger can stimulate saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, aiding in digestion. Consuming ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to meals can alleviate gastrointestinal irritation and reduce heartburn. 2. Yogurt. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive tract. These bacteria help balance the gut microbiome, promoting efficient digestion and preventing issues like bloating and constipation. Regular consumption of yogurt can enhance gut health and reduce the frequency of heartburn episodes. 3. Bananas. Bananas are an excellent food for digestive health due to their high fiber content, particularly pectin, which helps normalize bowel function. They are also rich in potassium, which helps in regulating fluid balance in the body, reducing bloating. Additionally, bananas have a natural antacid effect, providing relief from acid reflux and heartburn. 4. Oats. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can aid in the digestive process by forming a gel-like substance in the gut. This helps slow down digestion, ensuring better nutrient absorption and preventing constipation. Oats can also help soothe the stomach lining, reducing the likelihood of heartburn. 5. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and supports efficient digestion. This tropical fruit can reduce bloating and gas while promoting smooth bowel movements. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help in reducing stomach acidity, making it an excellent food for preventing heartburn. 6. Fennel. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries to improve digestion. They contain compounds like anethole, fenchone, and estragol, which have antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties. Chewing fennel seeds after meals can reduce bloating, gas, and cramps, and they can also help relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, preventing heartburn. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera juice is known for its soothing properties and can be very effective in treating heartburn and other digestive issues. It helps reduce inflammation in the stomach and esophagus, promoting healing and reducing acid production. Drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice before meals can aid digestion and prevent the occurrence of heartburn. Improving digestion and preventing heartburn can significantly enhance your quality of life. By incorporating these 7 foods into your diet, you can promote better digestive health, reduce uncomfortable symptoms. Enjoy your meals without worrying about heartburn. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated are also key factors in supporting a healthy digestive system.